Welcome to Let's Break Korean Sentences. In this series, we pick one real Korean sentence and break it down word by word so you can understand it, use it, and sound like a native. Before we break it down, let's say the full sentence out loud and get used to the sound. Ready? Listen and repeat after me.
시간 될 때 밥 한번 먹자.
시간 될 때 밥 한번 먹자. 시간 될 때 밥 한번 먹자. Here's our key phrase, 시간 될 때, which means when you're free. First, 시간 is a noun. It means time. Next, 되다 is a verb that means to become. So when we say 시간 되다, it literally means time becomes available or you have time. Now let's break down 될 때. It means when it becomes available. First, we start with the verb 되다, which means to become. Then we add 될, a future or conditional modifier to get 될, meaning will become or might become. Finally, 때 is a noun that means time or moment. Put it all together, 될 때 literally means the time when something becomes available. Now, let's look at the second part. 밥 한번 먹자, which means let's grab a meal sometime. First, 밥 is a noun. It means meal, not just rice. Then we have 한번, which literally means once or one time. But in casual Korean, it's often used to gently suggest something. Finally, 먹자 comes from the verb 먹다, meaning to eat, and the ending 자 turns it into let's eat. So altogether, 밥 한번 먹자. Let's grab a meal sometime. Use verb stem plus 릴 또는 을 때 to say when something happens. Examples: 먹다, 먹을 때, when I eat. 가다, 갈 때, when I go. 되다, 될 때, when it becomes available. You can use verb stem plus 자 to say let's do something in Korean. This is an informal suggestion form, often used in casual conversations with friends or people close to you. Let's look at some examples. 먹다, 먹자, let's eat. 가다, 가자, let's go. 보다, 보자, let's see. 쉬다, 쉬자, let's rest. Sentence 1. Let's have dinner sometime when you're done with work.
일 좀 끝내고 시간 될 때 저녁 한번 먹자. 일 좀 끝내고 시간 될 때 저녁 한번 먹자.
This week's tough. Let's eat together next week when you're free.
이번 주는 힘들고 다음 주에 시간 될 때 한번 먹자. 이번 주는 힘들고 다음 주에 시간 될 때 한번 먹자.
Let's grab a meal when you're free. In Korean, you can say 시간 될 때 밥 한번 먹자. 시간 될 때 밥 한번 먹자. Try saying it with me. 시간 될 때 밥 한번 먹자. 시간 될 때 밥 한번 먹자.